Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an Italian sub sandwich. Okay? And I'd like to thank you all for supporting my channel. And when I had to take a leave, I had some technical difficulties with my computer and all this other stuff was going on. I had a whole bunch of different things was going on in my life. So I appreciate you guys for being there for me. Alright, so let's jump back into this video. Making these Italian sub sandwiches. Let me put this one over here. We're only going to need 2 for this video. Alright? Alright guys. First you're going to need some hard salami, some pepperoni, and some ham right here. Okay? You're going to need some pepper jack cheese and some medium cheddar cheese or mild cheddar. It doesn't matter. Alright? And I have some lettuce right here, and some spinach. Have some onion sliced thinly. Have some tomatoes sliced thinly, right here. Okay. All right, guys. I'm going to need some mild banana peppers right here. You're going to need some mayonnaise, a little salt, some Italian. This is Italian seasoning right here, and this is some red wine vinegar and some oil, olive oil. Okay. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and start working on this stuff. All right. See you guys in a minute. All right. We'll go ahead and cut this. Open that up. And I like to take some of this bread, get some of that stuff out of there. If you want your kids or family or friends get fuller, you can leave the bread in there. But me personally, I don't like a lot of bread in mine. You can do the same on this side if you want to. And we're going to come in here with some of this mayo. Much as you want. We're going to come in here with some of this lettuce. Okay, that should be good enough right there. We'll come in here with tomatoes. Nice and thin. Some onion. As much as you want. Alright, we're going to come with some banana peppers. Okay. We're just going to come with a little bit of salt. Matter of fact, we're just going to come with the oil first. Just a little bit, guys. Okay. A little drizzle. A little salt. Just a sprinkle. Just to get these veggies some flavor. That's it. We're going to come with some of this Italian seasoning. And we're going to come with some of this red wine vinegar. Alright. Now, we're going to start working on our meat. We're going to come with some ham. There's no it's no particular way of the meat that you can put it on there, or how you want to put it on there, or whatever the case may be. But this is how I'm making mine. like this. One right here. Okay. Now we're gonna come with some of this Italian. I mean, not the Italian. We're gonna come with some of this pepperoni. Okay. Now we're gonna come with some hard salami. Okay. Let's put some of the spinach on here. We forgot to put the spinach on there. I'm rushing because I'm hungry. So make sure you put the spinach on there when you put the lettuce on there. All right. All right. Now we're gonna come with some cheese. Just break it in half. Put that on there like so. You come in here like this. This is the pepper jack. Break that in half. Put one right there and one on the end. And that's it. Then you just fold it up. Just like this, guys. That's it. Italian sub. There you go, guys. Just like so. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and hook up this other one off the camera, and I'll show you guys how everything looks together in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm finally done with this Italian sub sandwich, aka hoagie, however you want to claim it. Here it goes. That's the first one we did, and here's the other ones. Alright. That's how that look, fam. You guys make you some of these, but it is off the chain, no doubt about it. So guys, if you appreciate and you like this video, please give me a like and a share, and please, that's right, you already know, hit this bell just like that, so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love.